Do you want to learn how to unzip files on your iPhone? In this video, I will show you a few simple steps so that you can easily and quickly unzip files right on your iPhone. Not only will it save time, but it's easy too. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. So if you already downloaded a zip file and you want to unzip it first, open up your web browser and then tap on the two A's at the bottom left corner of the screen, and then select Downloads. And now it will show you all of the files that you have downloaded onto your iPhone. The file has been successfully unzipped, and now I can view the content of it. So if you ever want to unzip a zip file, simply locate that file using the Files app, and then just tap on that zip file and it will be unzipped. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good